Good morning, friends. I am Avinash and I'm working as IT project manager in a leading private bank. So, the last 9 months during the lockdown has been fantastic in my year. I've completed NLP practitioner course, NLP master practitioner course. You know, when this difficult time during pandemic situation, people are grieving, not sure what to do. I have done that, and we all together done that, and that is only because of the awesome mastermind people I have in my batch, and not the list. Sincere gratitude to my mentor Mehernos and Pavan. Without them, this journey has not been able to complete. So the question and the most powerful question I learn in my life is how do they do that? This is not the question. This is the answer, and we can just simply get all our answer from there. I was always wondering, how do that do that? We don't know. Now we can model those things. So I will just take some of the basics or some of the key points which I learned. There are many things, but the most key learnings I can just say the beliefs, about the values, strategies. So these are the things. It is very close to my heart, and I really learned these things which I am going to implement. And lastly, the modeling behavior, modeling ability. I was always wondering how this person is having such a nice ability, or how that person is having such a behavior which I don't have. Now I know the tricks, I know the traits, so I can definitely go ahead and model that behavior, model that ability, and most importantly, model that success. And the what we have learned in NLP is outcome orientation. So adopting ability and adopting behavior is one of the most important part of my journey to become successful, to become outcome oriented. So I would really say, though we have completed our classroom studies, I will always be in touch with my mastermind colleagues, my buddies, because without them, this journey could not have been possible. The real journey starts from here. It is not about completing the course and sitting idle, it is about implementation. So, implementation will start now. So, lastly, I want to sincerely thank Mehernos and Pavan for giving this opportunity, for bringing this learning opportunity during this pandemic time, which has given us a way forward to learn and implement this thing. Thank you very much, Mehernos. Thank you very much, Pavan, and all my mastermind buddies in NLP Master Practitioner. Thank you and be in touch.